The boy who could fix broken hearts in a small, peaceful town lived a quiet boy named Ayaan, known for something very unusual. People said he could fix broken hearts. Not the physical heart, but the hearts that were hurt, lonely, scared, or sad. Ayaan himself didn't know how he had this gift. He only knew that whenever he saw someone crying or worried, something inside him pulled him closer, telling him exactly what to say or do. His mother often said, "Beta, some people are born to heal. Tumhara dil Allah ne bahut naram banaya hai." One evening, as the sun turned golden and the sky glowed pink, Ayaan was walking home from school. He saw a little girl sitting on a bench near the old banyan tree, holding a torn drawing in her hands. Tears silently rolled down her cheeks. Ayaan gently sat beside her. "Kaya hua?" he asked softly. The girl wiped her eyes and whispered, "This was my drawing for the art competition. Some boys made fun of it and ripped it. They said I can't draw." Ayaan looked at the torn paper, then at her trembling hands. He took a deep breath, then said, "A broken drawing isn't a broken dream. A broken paper doesn't mean you are broken." He carefully collected the torn pieces, sat on the ground, and began taping them together with gentle patience. "See? Fixed." He smiled. The girl blinked at the drawing, then at him. "But it's still torn." Ayaan shook his head. "No. Now it has a story. हर चीज़ जब टूट कर जुड़ी जाती है, वो और मजबूत बन जाती है." The girl's smile slowly returned, and her heart felt light again. Word about Ayaan slowly started spreading. A boy who could heal sadness. A boy who could fix hearts. Some thought it was a silly rumor, but people who had met him knew it was true. One day, even the grumpy shopkeeper, Chacha Salim, who never smiled, called him inside the shop. "Ayaan, these customers always annoy me," he complained, frowning. "Everyone argues. No one respects me." Ayaan watched him silently for a moment, then said, "Chacha, maybe your heart is tired, not angry." The shopkeeper looked confused. Ayaan continued, "People will give you what you give them. Try smiling. Bas aik dafa." Salim scoffed, but Ayaan encouraged him gently. And that day, when a customer arrived, Salim attempted a small, awkward smile. The customer blinked, surprised, then smiled back, said thank you, and even complimented him. From that day onward, Chacha Salim's heart grew softer, and so did his voice. Every day, Ayaan continued healing hearts without even realizing how deeply he touched people's lives. But one day, something happened that Ayaan had never expected. He found his own heart breaking. It was the day his best friend Hamza suddenly stopped talking to him. Hamza, who had always shared jokes, secrets, and dreams with him, now avoided him, ignored him, and even walked the other way at school. Ayaan felt confused and hurt. At night he whispered, "Why does my heart hurt? I thought I could fix broken hearts." But his own heart felt shattered in a way he had never known. Weeks passed. Ayaan felt quieter, slower, and even the sunshine looked dull. His mother noticed and asked, "Beta? Tum thiko?" But he only smiled weakly and said nothing. One afternoon after school, he sat under the same banyan tree where he once helped the little girl. His heart felt heavy. "Maybe I can fix others," he whispered, "but not myself." Just then, he heard footsteps. It was Hamza. He stood awkwardly, scratching his neck, guilt written all over his face. "Ayaan," he began softly. Ayaan didn't look up. Hamza sat beside him and took a long breath. "I'm sorry." Ayaan raised his head. "For what?" Hamza swallowed. "Some boys teased me. They said I hang out with you too much. They made fun of me. I didn't want to be laughed at, so I stayed away. But I shouldn't have. I hurt you. And I missed you." His voice cracked. Ayaan stared at him for a moment. Then he smiled his gentle smile. "Hearts break when someone we love hurts us," he said softly. "But they also heal when that someone returns." Hamza blinked tears away. "So, can you fix this one too?" Ayaan placed his hand on his friend's chest and said, "It's already fixing." For the first time, Ayaan realized something powerful. Even a healer needs someone to hold their heart sometimes. Even the boy who could fix broken hearts needed love, apology, and understanding. From then on, Ayaan's gift became even stronger. He learned something important, that fixing hearts wasn't magic. It wasn't a miracle. It was kindness, honesty, and the courage to be gentle in a world that can sometimes be harsh. People came to him with all kinds of sadness, lost friendships, fear of exams, loneliness, broken trust. And Ayaan listened, comforted, and reminded them that hearts are like glass, clear, fragile, but beautiful when handled with care. Years later, the town remembered him as the boy with the warmest smile, the softest eyes, and the gift of healing not through spells or secrets, but through compassion. And whenever someone in the town felt broken, they would sit under the old banyan tree and whisper the words Ayaan used to say, "Toota hua dil koi kamzori nahi, ye to ishara hota hai ki andar bahut pyar chupa hua hai." Moral: a gentle word, a little kindness, and a moment of understanding can heal even the deepest hurt. The world becomes better when we choose softness over anger and empathy over ego.